Hey guys, Mission here. That was just after we found that fish over there. And if you saw, I don't know if Gabe would have said it, but he's gonna be eating a dandelion. Yeah. And I'm gonna eat grass.
We used to have a dog. Not the best idea.
I don't care. I'll wash my mouth. Why are we walking towards the water?
I
I don't know. Anyway, he's gonna be eating a dandelion.
See,
and then,
this one. It's big. And
yeah.
yummy.
And yellow. He's got pollen on my cam. And I'm gonna be eating this grass right here. Don't mind my blood. Okay. First we're gonna
eat
watch
the dandelion now. Now, fuck off. Or I mean, duck off.
Yeah. Gabe, do you want to hold my iPod while I eat this grass?
Okay.
Remember where the camera is. Cheater. I should eat this. Alley-oop. Not that bad. Not as juicy as the grass I ate in my house. I'll take the cam. No, really. I did eat grass and I actually swallowed it. I saw it. And I'll prove it. I'll open my mouth. I'm done. Wimp. Sorry.
Hey, dandelions taste worse than grass. Now
Yes,
shut up.
I know. I've tried to eat one.
And you couldn't, could you?
I ate it, I chewed on it.
See?
I swallowed it.
I swallowed one this morning.
Nice.
With Tiana. Remember the girl who jumps on my back every recess?
Yes.
She likes piggybacks.
See that? I finished.
You still had a piece on your tongue.
I don't care. I swallowed the most of it. Oh, right.
Now watch this. Watch this sick crap.
It was on low battery. Wow. Really? Really did? You stuck it in your mouth and you literally spit it out right after.
It had a bug on it.
I don't. Now do the Harlem Shake. Wait, record me. Don't end the recording, but ready, I'm gonna do the Harlem Shake. Ready? Ready, finish.
That looks more like squats.
I'm not ready. Now do the Harlem Shake. And grass.
Get wrecked.
Well, guys. Goodbye. Bye.